Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're out by the morant.bayburban Center. Now this is what you call a game changer. This facility, it's actually finished, but the tenants are now building out the inside of the stores to how they want it. The KFC is actually the first store and it's actually the only store that's open in this facility now. Straight ahead, that's going to be the entrance to the mall area. And you're going to find Burger King, Hilo inside this section. And it has a lot of other stores in there that people rent. Now to the left, not sure which, I think that's the PICA office and the tax office. This facility is going to have all the government entities or most of the government entities for St. Thomas over here. It's going to have the tax office, it's going to have the municipal corporation office, and it's going to have the new courthouse. And on the right, this is the entrance to the mall. And coming up on the left is the KFC. Now, there's no official date as to when the entire facility is going to open. So I guess it's going to depend on the individual store owners. But this is, as we said earlier, a game changer for us, for Morant Bay. Morant Bay is the capital of St. Thomas. And this facility has opened up St. Thomas to another level of development and investment. For instance, this KFC is the first KFC in St. Thomas, and it's actually the 45th KFC store in Jamaica. And it took 44 stores for them to come to St. Thomas. It's going to be the first Hilo in St. Thomas. It's going to be the first Burger King. It has definitely put St. Thomas on the map. Now, the rent at this facility is very high. It's the kind of rent. Well, we'll talk about the rent in another video, but I mean, look at the facility. It's definitely not cheap. And this was actually the Goodyear factory. The Goodyear factory was located at this location. And that factory closed down and the facility was just abandoned for years. And then, not sure who came up with the idea, probably the Factories Corporation of Jamaica or the government came up with the idea of building an urban center here. And the rest is history. $6 billion later, and this world-class facility is up and running. Alright guys, enjoy the tour. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and tell us what you think about this facility. This is definitely the nicest urban center you're going to find in Jamaica and possibly in the Caribbean. When you look at a facility like this, it reminds you of something you find in a first world country. It reminds me of facilities you see in areas in Florida. Very nicely done. And the success, well, I shouldn't say the success, but this facility is fully booked out. They actually had demand for more space than they could accommodate. So the government is actually going to be building urban centers in other areas. There's one planned for, actually, it's the construction has started. There's one being built in Portland, the Brown Book Urban Center. And they are going to build one in St. Mary by the Bosco Bay, the Ian Fleming International Airport. And it's just a matter of time before other urban centers are built. This is definitely the largest one of the three, or the larger. It's the largest one built so far. All right, guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. We are going to give you an update on this facility, give you more information on it. All right, guys, remember to like, share, and subscribe, and leave your comments in the section below. The Morant Bay Urban Centre is one of the most important modern developments in the parish of St. Thomas. Built on the historic land of the former Goodyear factory, the centre stands on more than 28 acres and represents a major push to transform the parish into a true economic and administrative hub. It was officially opened in 2025 and is designated as a one-stop location where residents can access services, education, and business opportunities without traveling long distances to Kingston. At the heart of the center is a collection of government offices including the St. Thomas Municipal Corporation, tax services, and a modern courthouse. This centralization makes everyday tasks such as paying bills, handling documents, or attending civic appointments much easier for residents. Alongside the government services are retail shops, restaurants, BPOs, offices, training facilities, and spaces for private businesses, creating a new environment for job creation and small business growth. The urban center is also intended to drive long-term development across St. Thomas. By offering more local job opportunities and attracting private investment, the project aims to reduce the long-standing issue of residents traveling daily to Kingston for work and services. It is expected to bring more activity to the parish, boost the local economy, and support new housing developments around Morant Bay. Although the center is officially open, not all businesses and agencies are fully operational yet, as several tenants are still completing their build-outs. Alright guys, that's the end of the update. Let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.